Hello, folks. A long story and a short story. I'm up here, look, in Irvine today, right? What a bother I've had today for all you followers on TikTok. Transpires TikTok want photo identification from me, and I've not got it, but I've got it now. I'm getting there. So I had to come up here and get my birth certificate. Ah, look at that. There, I was up this morning, paid it, I had to come back. There it is. There you go, the famous Mighty W. That'll maybe be worth money someday. Then I had to go back down to here and get my photo taken at Roberts at Venel Cameras. Now, the good news is this, there's some spare photos there, so anybody want a signed spare photograph of me, just let me know, folks. So there you are, North Ayrshire today, twice, doing it here, back up here. What's it all for? It's all for using social media, so you can follow me on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and as long as you're not walking behind me, I don't care. You can follow me on there way you want, folks. So see you all later, and thank you very much. Everybody, I've got to do all this now. Cheerio, folks.